Hey folks, I just found out there's another YouTube channel about a year ago. A young gentleman, sounds like he's 12 or 14. He has a channel. He's got one follower and 5 views. He beat me to the punch about a year ago. He beat me to it, so it's his channel. So no more investments made easy. Now it is the Breakfast Club Investing. Breakfast Club Investing. So that being said, welcome to Breakfast Club Investing. Cryptocurrency. So many places to buy, store, and hold, and sell, and transfer, and swap. Okay, I'm going to read off this list here. You got, and I have every single one of these, some of the websites I visit. You got Gemini, Trust Wallet, Lumi, Coinbase, eToro, Exodus, Binance. You can go to bitcoin.com, you can go to crypto.com. Ultimately, I want to, Coinbase is my favorite. I feel it's the easiest, the safest, is what I like the most. I don't have everything transferred over to Coinbase yet, but I will. If I'm not able to transfer any leftovers, I'm just going to sell it off and just stick with Coinbase. I don't do as much as I used to with cryptocurrency. I don't do anything with Bitcoin anymore. I used to. Trust Wallet, I started off with. There's some things I don't like about Trust Wallet, but Coinbase I would highly recommend. And I'm not sponsored by them in any way, so I do believe it's the easiest. So what some of these will tell you too, they'll also tell you about the utilities. They'll tell you about the coin. You can find out the real time, the price. So everything you need is there, whether it's tradable or not tradable on that platform. If there's something you're interested in, you may need some of these other ones because it's tradable on another platform. Okay, cryptocurrency. Let's take a look here. Bitcoin is down, Ethereum is down, Solana is down. We got Polkadot is down, Avalanche down, Dogecoin is up a bit, 16 cents. Wow. I remember that used to be a lot higher. Shiba Inu is up a bit. It's starting to rally a little bit, but that's still, it's been getting hammered lately. So Chainlink, I used to have some Chainlink. That's up a bit. Some Algorand, I used to have some of that Litecoin. Atoms, that's the very first one I started off on this Cosmos. Is Atoms. Did very, very well. Transfer that over to Ethereum, and of course Ethereum just picked up. I think I bought into Ethereum at $600 a token, which is amazing. It just kept going up by the day, up and up and up. So this is the burn wallet right here, the one that says dead. You can see 410 trillion. That is off to, it's something. It's a good start. We got to get more burnt. Less tokens, the more valuable each token is. There's just so much token out there right now. And look at these top wallets, 45 trillion, 42 trillion, 40 trillion, 38 trillion, 25 trillion. It's incredible. These people can live off of their Shiba Inu for the rest of their life. So if you invested $17 a year ago, it's worth about 10 million today. And look at the sell-off. We're talking 221 billion, 150 billion, 10 billion. Now somebody bought 50 billion, but it pales in comparison to all the sell-off. And that goes on as you go down the list here. So eventually, hopefully these things will even out and there'll be less and less Shiba Inu and less sell-off and more buying. And it'll drive the price up. Which cryptocurrencies to buy, no one knows. That's why I say it is like a lottery ticket. You want to get into a handful, maybe more, and hopefully a couple of them pay off. Nobody really knows. With over 12,000 cryptocurrencies out there, it's too much to keep track of. Keep an eye on the utilities. Know the utilities. If you like the utilities, buy into that. It's like any investing. Don't invest in anything you don't know anything about. Do your due diligence so you know about it. Utilities are important. However, with some of them, sometimes utility means nothing. I think you take the Shiba Inu army, for instance. I don't really know. I don't care what the utility is. People are into Shiba Inu. There's an army behind that token. It'll never die. Never bet against the Shiba Inu army. So I do want to go over Axie Infinity. It is a metaverse play if you want to get into that. If you think the metaverse is the next big thing, then get into it. It's about gaming, building a kingdom with pets and battling. So keep an eye on that. If you like it, it's about half price right now. That was up to $160 at one point. Now it's half that at around 78. Market cap's at 5 million. It's 61 million in circulation. So it might be a good time to get on a discount on that. Solana's the next one. This is old news. Solana, the founder came off of the Ethereum team. There was some creative differences. He went and created his own. It's supposed to be competition for Ethereum. Solana has done well. It's made a lot of people money. I wouldn't bet against it. I don't have any currently. I don't plan to pick any up, but it's worth looking at if you're wanted to invest more in cryptocurrency. 50,000 transactions per second. It's processes more transactions than Ethereum. So take a look at that one. A lot of people have loved that one. So which cryptocurrency lottery ticket will you get next? Nobody knows what will hit. Nobody knows what will go down. So do your own due diligence. Don't invest too much. Don't invest in anything that you can't afford to lose. And it's going to be a long-term investment. Personally, my Shiba Inu, I'm looking at 10 years down the road if it does anything. I'm 10 years from now. Not today, not tomorrow, not next year. Not everyone talks about 2025. No, I'm 10 years from now. And don't forget about the Binance token. That's another good one. I was heavily invested in the Binance token. I used to stake it. I made a decent amount of money off of it. Binance at some point was up over $700. Right now today, I think it's a little over $400. So you can get that as a steep discount as well. But some of these tokens, I want to mention staking. If you can buy these and stake them, do so. You get to make money off the staking. Stake it long term. Just let it sit. Remember what I said about 10 years. So you got Binance, you got Ethereum discount you can buy now, Solana discount you can buy now, Shiba Inu. I actually got in on it lower than what it is now, but it is at a discount because it was trading a lot higher than it is now. And Axie Infinity, if you want to get into the metaverse play. If you can stake any of these tokens, then do so and just let it sit and ride. Don't be tempted to sell off if it goes up a little bit. It's all about timing. So you might be tempted to buy low and sell high and then repeat. I find that it's hard to find the trend. The patterns are very unpredictable with cryptocurrency. Unlike the stock market, you can do that with the stock market. A lot of stocks, you can buy low, sell high, and put on repeat, whether it's every 2 weeks, every 2 months, or somewhere in between. The cryptocurrency is a lot more difficult to get the timing right. So that being said, folks, I hope you picked on something good. We're going to have to do another video. I don't know how many people know about Pi. Pi is a totally different, it's a very unique cryptocurrency, or soon to be cryptocurrency. That will take a whole nother video. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, send this video to a friend, get everyone involved. Investing